Hello everyone, my name is AyaCica and today's makeup is inspired by my dog, and she has this black and brown and white color. First I'm using my MAC Prep and Prime to prep my face. Then I'm used my Garnier BB cream, and then I used dark brown from Baulishi. It's kinda black brown, but it's dark brown. Then I used from Claire's palette this golden brown color. It was so beautiful and was totally matching to my dog. Then I used dark brown from the Claire's palette that I always use to fill my eyebrows. Then I used my Claire's bronzer to contour my nose. It became a little bit dog looking look, not just a simple makeup. And then I use my Claire's palette to add a little black on my nose, but I tried to make it not too dog looking. And then I just add a little bronzer. It's kind of natural colors, and I used my NYX Love You So Much, one of my Love You So Much highlighting palettes, to give this white bright highlight. And then I used again from the Claire's palette the black to make this black eyeliner kind of look like my dog has. And then I add black on the same black on my lips, because my dog has black lips. So yes. And then a little mascara from Claire's, just to finish it and look cute. And this is the finished look. I did a little bit changes on my hair to be this dog kind of look thingy, but if you like this, please don't forget to subscribe. There is lots of link in the description that you should check out. Please leave some sweet comments in the comment section, and see you in next video. Bye.